We are live, almost live, guys, so don't worry. All right, perfect, guys. Welcome to the stream, is all I could say right now. Just fixing a few things here and there. I don't know, there's something wrong with my mouse pad, the way I've kept it. So give me 1 second, guys. Okay, now it's better. What's going on? I really need to fix my setup. All right, okay. We are live. I'm so sorry, guys, for the noise. Let me quickly check everything is good or not. Let me share the link on Discord and sometimes WhatsApp as well. Okay, this is done. Let's make an announcement. Okay, and I'll just quickly tag at everyone going live now. Please soon. Okay. I think we are ready. We are ready for good. Let's get started, guys. What are we going to do today is context palette RS. We have to continue working on this. For some reason, I don't like the theme. There was this fish theme, right? I need to change the fish theme because it doesn't show me the one second, guys. हाँ सर आ गया हाँ गिरा रहा हूँ कैच कर लेगा ना Alright guys, I'm back. I'm sorry. My friend wanted the helmet, so I had to give it to him. Okay, yeah, I was just wondering. So I don't have, if I remember correctly, yes, I don't have that oh my fish, right? So maybe let's just set up that. Because by default, changing the fish shell stuff is tiring and I don't want to do it. Okay, this is integrator. Okay, let's get started. Okay, this is done. Fish, I'll just open it again. Let's see if this works. Yeah, works well. Okay, OMF theme. Then what do they do? OMF theme, list installed packages. Okay, then apply OMF theme, maybe boxfish. Okay, I need to install themes for that. Let's just install Demoral, Fishface, Godfather, Fisk, Flash, Fluffy, Dorsey, CB Johnson. Let's see how these themes look like, and then we'll go ahead. All right. Let's just fix it for now. Okay. Things are fine now. OMF theme maybe Fisk. OMF theme, what does it do? Does it change the theme or not? How do I change it then? Apply a theme, right? So this is what I'm doing. OMF theme, demoral, enter. It's not changing the theme, to be honest. Is it because I have the theme listed in somewhere prompt, right? Over here, fish prompt. What's this is a interesting thing that they have done. I'm not sure if I'm a fan of it or not. So this is where I've edited the theme, I think. I don't know. Let's just get ZSH done then. It's much better this way. Yeah. And I'm master of AM master. What was it? The theme name? We can stick with Bira for now. Yeah, Bira is fine. I think let's just stick to. Perfect. Let's just check if it works fine. All right. Okay. Exit. Let's see. ZSH. Perfect. Works fine. Let's change the theme as well. ZSH RC. Theme equal to Sorin. Instead of that, I'll go with Bira. Context palette RS. So here we are, guys. Let me just refresh it. So the stage we are at right now is okay. Also, one thing I think I might just need. The local variables listed in autosave or contains values that may not be safe. Okay, don't apply then. srcdb.rs is where we have to go. And what else is there? Also, one thing we have to do is probably over here. Right. Okay. All right. So where are we right now? Let's just quickly check cargo build. Yeah. So there are some problems that we'll attempt to fix. So how do we fix that, right? So we'll, okay. I haven't enabled scroll mode there, to be honest. So we can quickly get started with vterm here, cargo build. Let's just see. Array. Let me. So what's the error first? First error is file not found. Async check is not there. So where am I doing src main? Okay. Yeah, I don't think I need it anymore, right? Async check is not needed. What else is there? Struct opt. It's not imported. That's okay. And deserialize is not there. Okay, cool. And which file is there? It's mostly okay. Context GPT struct op. Why is it not imported though? Where is struct op? Yeah, okay. Yeah, it should be imported now. What's happening? Yeah, it's imported now, right? So that should be okay. And we also would need deserialize is not there, right? Deserialize and serialize. So I don't know what's happening. My escape key is not working. Good morning, you don't know me, bro. What's up? Welcome to the stream. What is... There's something that is going wrong here, guys. Is my caps lock on? No, right? See, escape. Okay, you know what? What is... See? Escape is undefined? I don't know what went wrong here. Deserialize. See here, escape is now working. No, it's not working. Escape is undefined. Escape. Control W works fine. Normal mode. How do you get into normal mode then? I have to press multiple times. Escape key is there, right? So if I'm here, I press escape. Okay, take some time, I guess. Why? It's working fine now. If I'm doing this, I'm doing escape. It's working fine now. Okay, this is weird. See, if I press escape. I don't know. Something is off, but it's okay. Cool. So let's go to our vtem again and do cargo build. I think, yeah, only problem should be, okay. Yeah, from star. I don't know what happened to these. Is there a quick action? Yeah. Okay. It should work now. Perfect. All right, so it built successfully. That is good. So let's just do dot target release. Oh, sorry, I'm in the wrong folder. Dot target release. Did I do debug? Okay, that's okay. Context palette. I need to pass the file as well. So that's okay. We need to pass a file. We will do that later on. Let's just go to our... I think I can eventually get rid of this. अभी क्या हो रहा है? I don't know what's happening. See, escape key is undefined. There's some lag in escape key. Why is that? Is it because of tmux? I think it's because of tmux. It's definitely because of tmux. Let me try. Yeah, see? It's quick now. Yep. tmux has a lag with escape key. There's some lag with escape key. You don't know me, so in tmux only. So I'm just wondering what's going wrong. So I think tmux is consuming escape key over here, right? Set -sc. I don't have any. Yeah, right. I think that's the reason. But why does it happen though? So what is tmux exactly doing? Oh, you know what? Let me just get it from my documents installations. Projects.files cp tmux. I should have tmux.conf. Yeah, there you go. tmux, there should be something like install as well. Let me see what do I have in tmux.conf. I should have escape time 0 as well. Repeat timeout and all. Control A, control B is both there. Monitor activity is on. visual activity, control C is new session, control F. Yeah, these things. Okay, I have definitely forgotten all my. Okay. And if I do control BT, it shows the timer. Okay. Cool. Sounds good to me. Control F is for search session, right? Control B S is an okay. All these things. Tmux consumes the escape press. Yeah, but why does it do that? Isn't it weird that I mean a lot of people who are using tmux religiously are probably the ones using some editor as well, right? And definitely it's a possibility that they're using. Let's see if this works now. Escape, yeah, works fine now. So where are we at right now? Let's just get to context palette and let's do cargo bill. And I would do cargo bill release. Now let's look at our main function, right? If you guys remember main.rs, if I go to impl main, async function main, right? What we're doing is we are initializing the logger, we are creating a server and we say server.handle server and we pass it we are for now passing it a raw file. Okay. I mean, we have hard coded this, right? Mouse mode was on, right? I don't know. Okay. So this all is there, right? Server.handle server. Okay, this is fine. Kiyashimali documents projects live stream. I think I should just get rid of projects live stream here because for now it's this thing. What else is there? This is my main file as well, right? Yeah. So I guess if I do dot target release context palette and I do this, where's it failing? 45th line. Why are you failing? No such file and directory. It's Kiyashimali documents projects context palette rs. This is exactly there, right? Am I even? And what was the command, guys? Do you remember? What was the command to get the? Why did it work now? What the? So why does it need me to add a println function for this? Is there some lag in creating a server? Am I not doing any await? Server is not async. Is this something that should wait? No, I don't think so. Server is there. Impulse server is there. I'm just passing these things, right? DB handler is there. It's just a struct. DB default, DB meta default. It's all fine. I could have actually implemented default for here as well. What could be going wrong here? 34th line. Unable to deserialize. Oh, I see. Okay. Okay. Makes sense. Maybe something failed before. Yeah, it works now. It's perfect. If I do it again, yeah, this time it fails. Saying that unable to deserialize EOF file passing value. That's okay. Because maybe our format is not right. We have home, Kiyashimali projects, context palette rs 0.json and mapping.json. Oh, that's it. There's the file. That's interesting. Let's just do cat maybe. So I'm not writing anything to the JSON database, I guess that's why. So that's okay. So what does handler server do, right? So it's an async function. It says state db handler.init workspace path, get current metadata. It prints the metadata for you. That's okay. Metadata.workspace path equal to this and that. Okay. Just by the way, guys, what are we going to work on today is we are going to continue working on Context Pilot, which is a project that I was working on for so long now. The idea is to move away from binary to a server. So it's kind of similar to how an LSP works, right? You want it to index your files while you're running the editor in the background so that things start showing up, right? And that's your goal. So how do you do that is our goal right now. I mean, we are almost there in terms of setting things up, but there's still a lot to do. All right. So where are we at right now? The thing that I'm seeing over here is that we are just starting the DB handler, right? As you can see, it does init DB and that's it, nothing else, right? And here we are doing init handler, right? So I would ideally rename it as handler, right? And kind of go here and say handler as well. Just kind of be explicit that what you're initializing. It was confusing, to be honest, there. Okay. Over here, when it has stopped. Okay, so when I would also want metadata.state equal to state done, right? In that case, I will says.state db handler dot store maybe ampersand metadata. Okay. So in that case, I would want to store the results in the db. Okay. And I would say println stored db into the storage file. Yeah. I don't think I need this new line here. All right. So we need to define store, but we also need to define when is the state running and all, right? So we need to set the state as well. So initially metadata.state equal to state running. So the server is already running. Let the indexing continue. And where is the indexing happening, by the way? Output string over here, right? So indexing file is happening here. And we are having iterate through workspace. So maybe once this is done, if path iterate through workspace, when is it called? Over here, right? So we are doing starting to iterate the workspace. This is done. So once this is done, what I can say is, okay, you are done iterating through the workspace. Time to save into storage now, right? So in that case, I can do metadata dot state maybe is equal to state of what was it? Done. Sorry guys. Okay. So over here we have this thing, and then we need to define a state over here, which is done. I would ideally LSP format region was there, right? What was LSP format region? Control C, Control R, right? Let's see. Oh, what? It does not support this? Wow. Okay, whatever. Done. Now you can store into the storage. Yeah. Okay, we don't need a comma here. We can go back here. We can just let it be. Cargo build. Okay, now we need to define store. Okay. Let me go to the state handler here. I'm very curious if they have store here. Yeah, I already have store, which takes nothing, right? So can I just go over here and do as it's like it's suggesting the same thing, and probably I don't need to pass this all here. Yeah, and when I do this, I do cargo build release, and let's just get rid of this and target release the has it written anything? Nope, nothing. So was it even here? No, it was not here, right? Because it did not print anything. So is it not, when is it called, right? Handle server is getting called over here, right? So, all right, when it gets stopped, what was the last command, by the way? Let me just run it again, just to kind of refresh my memory. Cargo build release, target release. So output string is printed, whatever the files are, right? And then you say done, right? And over here, this is when you call it done, right? So I think it's getting stopped somewhere. Instead of that, I want it to be so this is where it's called says the start, and then what you need to do is metadata dot state equal to done, because now it's done, right? So I mean, essentially we don't need, yeah, I mean, we can just have it here, right? Because makes sense. We can come back to it later on whether we need multiple state. Do you use a debugger? Have ever used one? Wait, let me get the chat on the screen. I don't okay, sorry. I don't generally use debugger because first of all, like I've mostly worked with C++ as well. So using a debugger there is, I mean, GDB is the default that we use. So it's generally fine. And not getting used to it is also helpful. In terms of Rust, I don't even know if I would ever need a debugger. Okay, it's writing to a file. But for Python, I mean, just one second, guys. Sorry, guys. हाँ अच्छा 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 ओके ओके ठीक है डन एंड गाइस चपाती 4 नहीं ऐसा में दो चपाती 3 चपाती 3 या 4 और वो चावल चावल तो है ही नहीं, छोड़ो चावल तो है ही नहीं। हाँ चावल नहीं है ना, 4 रोटी पे काफी, मैं मंगवा दे रहा हूँ चावल वैसे। Alright guys, I'm sorry. I think I need to leave now. I don't know, I should probably start streaming in the evening only. Chawal roti wa. No, I was getting I can still stream, it's okay. The thing is I was supposed to go to gym today, but I did not go again. I don't know why, my health is not good, so I did not push myself. I'm like, it's okay, I can take rest for today. Nah, Radha. Okay, yeah, we can hold on and talk. Fresh cream. Yeah, I mean, the thing is, how much time does it usually take for you to get fit after you start gymming? I'm starting to get fit, but I think it's most of it is diet, right? It's not gymming, if I'm not wrong. A lot of time, is it? So the change starts coming up only after a lot of time. Okay. Interesting. Very motivating. Yeah, diet is the main thing, I think. I mean, for that to work, you need to eat well, right? मैं तो रियलिटी चेक देता हूँ बस. Thank you so much. भैया 5 मिनट में आ जाएगा ना? 5 मिनट में आ रहा है सब कुछ. ओके. हाँ. All right, guys. So where were we? So this dot store is not working, by the way, and I don't know what's going wrong here. Can't outtrain a bad diet, by the way. The thing is, I don't know what exercises I need to do in a gym, right? And if I opt for any, let's say, any trainer, that's going to cost a lot. They kind of take around 10,000 rupees per month if you take a personal trainer in a gym. So that's apart from the gym price, which is a lot, right? 10,000 rupees, people can get a gym membership for 6 months or 10 months. So that's the problem. And I'm not really happy about it. So what should I do? What's your advice? Assuming that you also do gymming, or if you know. Let mapping string is there, let mute file is there, this is already there. The output string self.current data. So I think what's happening is current data is empty here because we have not really initialized. Can I do this? What is current data? What does it return? DB type, right? What is DB type? Is a hash map. So I think it should work. Must be a string literal. Oh yeah. I could have done this. Why am I in a C mode? No method size for it? Oh, length is there. Okay. Sending the link from where I made my fitness plan. Mood अनुसार है मेरा fitness plan and not some scientific reasoning. Ishwar, the cult has a workout plan for you. Hi Ishwar, good morning. You can just follow it. They will assign you a trainer for a couple of first weeks. The cult? So do you mean cult fit? By the way, Ishwar, welcome to the stream. I think it's your first time here. So thank you so much for joining. So I have cult membership. I don't know if I never thought they have this thing there. I believe HRX classes are there and all. I can go with that. But can you send the link on Discord, by the way? I think you might have already sent the link. If not, please send it there. What is this? Yeah, so current data size is 0, right? Over here, as you can see. So there's something wrong here that I'm not able to cover up. Goddamn app. Discord updates are very slow. Yeah, I agree. So current data, that just means that we are not appending, we are not doing anything with DB. So I believe that I have done init DB. Find index is going on. Append is not called. Yeah, these functions are not getting called. Hope iterate through workspace is not there. Okay, let's kind of have a split. What muscles do and how to train them. Our guy Varanium has sent the link. Okay, so do they have particular exercises for it? Yeah, I'm gonna go in the evening after coming back from office. Yeah, over here. Anger management is there. I'm RTFM, what does it mean? But do you need a gym to exercise? I mean, do you need a gym to build your body? I mean, I know you don't, but you definitely need weights, right? They have not shared exercises here, although it makes sense that rotate. Read the fucking. The page had the exercises mentioned. RTFM, bhai sahab. Where? Okay, I need to read these. Oh, RTFM नीचे लिखा है. RTFM. Download high resolution. Okay, this is different. Over here. 1 second, guys. हेलो. हाँ भैया, ये जो नई बिल्डिंग है ना, sorry guys, my mind is confused. Yeah, I was confused. You guys can hear me now, right? Where's my OBS? Where's my OBS? Yeah, you guys can hear me. So this is what I mean, is it? Workout manual. 10 jumping jacks, 20 high knees, 40 side to side chops, 1 squat, 20 lunges. This is circuit workout. 20 push-ups across 4 sets in total, 20 seconds rest between. 10 renegade rows across 4 sets. This sounds more like a in general thing. Man, I can't wait to be able to do push-ups. I mean, I can do push-ups, but once in a while. Okay, you are saying train them by doing push-ups, dumbbell. Okay. So everywhere they have written train them by skipping rope, calf raises, hops on the spot, jumping jacks and jump. Okay, I see. Yeah. I see, makes sense. This is interesting. What is justice served workout? 10 fly steps. Okay. भैया प्लीज ले लेंगे. 20 high knees, 20 squats, 10 push-ups, 20 jab plus cross, 10 slow, 10 plank walkouts, 10 count start. Oh, what the fuck? How can I do 10 count start? 10 Superman stretches. I think you can do these at home as well, right? I mean, I don't see a reason why you can't do it. Y down push-ups and punching. This is really nice though. Dumbbell shoulder raises. Jacks and what are jacks and arm raises? Oh, this thing, is it? Jumping jacks though, okay. I thought jacks are something different. What are arm raises? Just raise your arms, okay. Yes, jumping jacks, right? Ah, okay. Dumbbells, shoulder raises. So I have a dumbbell of 4.5 kgs, I think, but I might need 7.5 or 10, right? That's why. So this is, and this is the one, right? This is a shoulder raise, if I'm not wrong. I see. Whatever you're comfortable with, yeah. Makes sense. Bicep curls, chin-ups, negative chin-ups. What are chin-ups? Ah, okay, I can't do that. Body hooks on a heavy back. Okay. What is it really? Okay, I don't know. Anyways, yeah. Thanks for the link, by the way. I'll go through it for sure. Anyways, what was happening here, by the way? I've opened the same file. I think I need to open. Can I open that link on stream, Varinya? I'm pretty sure, check it out later. Can I just quickly open it on screen? Or should I not? Works, you can, okay. Oh, chest, triceps, shoulders, back, knee push-ups, wide. How many push-ups can you do? I can't. So does it cost? Or is it for free? I hope it didn't cost you, buddy. I'm sorry if I can pull off 20 in a row. That's good. I can't. Then I can do 10 in a row for sure. I made it khud se. Oh wow, is it? Wow. Great work, yeah. By the way, so when we do dot start, why does it take me to? Why is my life so? What's? So it has been modified. db.initdb is there. initdb does it all. That's it, is it? Me even minor back. Yeah. I mean, the thing is, it has been modified. Yeah, over here, right? This is what I'm looking for. So it iterates through the workspace, and while it's iterating through the workspace, I want it to. I will have to pass the path as well, right? I think font size is a bit small. Okay. Is it better now? Thank you for letting me know. My only problem over here is when you're iterating through the workspace. Yeah, okay. I'm not calling the DB, right? Like I'm not doing anything with the DB. And which file am I in? I'm in src main.rs. I'm iterating through the workspace. And every time I do this, for entry in path, entry path is dir. I spawn it again. File set index file is there, right? So this is the main function that I'm doing. I'm calling perform for whole file is what I'm calling eventually, right? So what I want to do is when I get the output string, I want to be able to do db object dot for that I think we need to go back to our previous code, because I think that's what will give us some context. Sorry. Over here you can see get contextual authors. I'm doing db object.initdb get unique files changed, and that's it, right? So let's just go to get unique files changed. Maybe where is it? Get unique. Where's the wow? Oh, LGLOC. Sorry. Even this file exists. I'm not touched this file. Just working on db get unique files changed. Okay, there you go. So over here I'm passing the db object, right? And when I do this all, I'm passing. So basically I'm passing for perform for single line. I'm passing the db object there, right? So I can go to this point. db object is being passed here. As you can see, yeah, there you go, right? So we are doing this db object.append, right? And nothing else. Then we are doing db object.store. So every time we are doing this, we are storing it to the db, which is okay, but it's like a lot of writes as well, right? By the way, so this we need to change, because I don't think on a longer run is what I want to do. Where is db object dot append? Dot append configured file path, start line index and all is there. Then store is there, right? Okay, let's just try for now. So we were doing perform for whole file. And we get output string. This is a problem now because we don't have a line number and end line number, right? So I can do db object dot append. What was the configured file path? Origin file path maybe. Start line number, end line number, and then we have all data, which is what we would have calculated by over here. What just happened, guys? Okay. I was like, what happened? And then I saw that it auto formatted. I was so confused. Output maybe this thing. Origin file path, you need a copy of it because why? Borrow of mode value. What does it take? Exactly, right? It takes a string, right? And what is origin file path? It's a string. Okay. So you need and it was already moved here. So that's why you want to pass it on here and you want to pass it on here. You know what? This will fix it. All right. So this is done. Over here, a use of move value again. I would never want to clone output, to be honest. But okay. Because I don't like it. Like, of course, clone is expensive, right? So you should not be doing it everywhere. All right, guys. So this is done, right? And then once this is done, extract string from output. By the way, just confirming what's the type of output, vec author details, right? And this is what we need. So db object.append is done. And what were we doing before? Like, I mean, after that. So we did append, which is what clone we were doing there as well. And once this is all done, what does it do? I could have just stored it here as well, right? Okay. Let's try doing db object.store here. Oh no, this returns an output, right? So I can do let output string equal to this and then do db object.store and output string can be returned. Okay. So this is what I'm planning so far. Let's just see if this works. No syntactical errors. With panic, could not open a given file. How do you get into mouse mode? There used to be the scrolling thing, right? I forgot how to get into scrolling mode, guys. Current data is 1. Panicked src db 255 line. 255. Oh, visited count map. Yeah, in tmux. How do you get into scrolling mode? This is an ugly terminal theme. Sorry to say. Man, this guy comes and gives me feedback like anything. Let me fix it. Control Alt U. Okay, I know that okay, yeah, said G. But does it okay? Like, first of all, in my defense, buddy, why is everything suddenly, you know what? You know what? I'm done with tmux. I mean, there's so many things to be taken care of in tmux. It's not Windows. Stop blaming Windows. Be nice. Be kind to people. Yeah, I mean, yes, it has, but it's a lot of shortcuts. And it will coincide with, I mean, when I used to use Neovim and Tiling Window Manager and Westum's own multiplexer, I had to figure out a lot of things there. That's why, if that makes sense. Also, Z shell is trash. All right, okay. I will quickly show you. Why do I not have? Oh, I don't have. Oh, it's not there. Sorry. Ah, my bad. I was blaming. Yeah, there you go. Right. So I have this config over here. Right. Okay. So I had this theme cycler. This thing. Okay. And for some reason, this western.color.get built-in schemes and all this is not working. So I need to install that part and then it will work. And you will see really, really good magic. I don't know how to change the theme by then. Okay. This is what I do. Use Windows key for Windows Manager. Use Alt for multiplexer. Use Control for Neovim window switching. God level. I will try doing that for sure. For now, just let me quickly debug this. What's going wrong? So this is file create db file path. Could not open given file. So this was the error that we got. Why? What's a file path, by the way? Okay, now I can do this. See, this is all it takes is simple ZLJ for things to work. Keep it simple. Don't. What's happening here, by the way? The different tabs for different girls. What? No. I. Why did I delete the whole file? When did this happen? Man, I'm doing crazy things today. I don't know, bro, what's happening. So over here, I was here, right? So now all my changes are also gone. Sales.state db handler.db dot store. No, we didn't have to do it, right? We had to just go and do it in cell.start. Over here, it read to workspace. And we were doing it for perform for whole file, right? Yeah, this thing. Over here, we have already done it. Okay. Start over the. No, I just did git stash. No, it's all good. So far, it's so good. The kind of things I do, I don't even think I should be streaming right now. Okay. I need to fix the bugs though. I remember what were the bugs. Ta-da. And that's it, I guess. I'm using tmux bindings over here. Wow. Cargo build release. Let's get rid of the folder. No target release. Why is it failing? Guys, why is it failing? 45th line. Redir folder path. Oh, the folder path is wrong. Because it was wrong before as well. Okay. Yeah. Could not open the given file. srcdb.rs255. What's going on there? Am I not printing? Okay, so db file path is empty, I guess. It's possible because, so where am I doing db file path? This is read is fine, read all is fine. And when is it, which function is this? Find index, right? Store. Yeah, I'm doing it here, right? Dot store. Okay. But probably I'm not doing it in. Yeah, over here. This cell.db file path needs to be initialized somewhere. But it's initialized here, right? Oh, that's for is limit crossed. Oh, it exists. But I'm... Why the hell would you create a file if it already exists? Oh, I'm writing it again, right? That's why. But why could it not open the file then? Emacs 0.json. Yeah, it's empty. So, I mean, okay, let me just print db file path is... Guys, now I need to go. By the way, I have work to do. My working hours will start now. I mean, there are no strict working hours, but I think I should get back to work. I'll just try this quickly, quick small thing, and print what I wanted to see. db file path is empty. Okay, so we need to fix it, guys. db file path is empty, so we don't need to worry about it, to be honest. Oh, we are doing path new in .exist, right? So we should just check if db file path is empty as well. And db file path is not initialized until you are at is limit crossed. Okay. Okay. All right, guys. That's it. Maybe for now. We'll be back to next time. Maybe tonight or tomorrow. We'll see. I have to hit gym today. So cool. Thank you so much for being here, guys. Thank you, everyone. Take care of yourself. And thank you for joining in. If you're new to this channel, please make sure to like and subscribe. I would appreciate that. No push at all, though. It is what it is. Thank you so much. Bye, everyone. Take care.